Hello, my name is Gloria Douglas, and this is my ETEC 562 Technology Integration Unit project. The instructional design model that I chose was the ARCS model of motivation design. The ARCS model, created by John Keller, is an instructional method composed of motivational strategies designed to captivate all learners and is often perceived as a problem-solving approach to learning. There are 4 steps for promoting and sustaining motivation in the learning process. They are attention, relevance, confidence, and satisfaction. With these 4 components of the ARCS model of motivation design, the first one is attention. It is meant to arouse the student's curiosity and interest. Relevance. It is to relate to the student's experience and needs. Confidence scaffolds the student's success of meaningful tasks. And number 4, satisfaction. They build the student's sense of reward and achievement. Okay, the lesson that I'm presenting the topic is ecosystems and adaptations of plants and animals. It is intended for 5th grade science students. The length of the project is about 3 to 4 in-class periods, which are about 60 minutes each period. Some outside time may be used for collaboration of the project. These are the science TECs that I will be using. They are 3.9a, 3.10a, 4.10a, and 5.10a. And all of them deal with either ecosystems or adaptations. The technology TECs that I'm using allow for the students to create original products, collaborate, drafting, editing, publishing, and also research skills. The technology that I will be using is Sway. It is an easy-to-use digital storytelling app that allows the user to create and share interactive reports, presentations, and more. Users can pull content locally from the device in use or from the internet sources such as Bing, Facebook, and YouTube. And collaborative and sharing features are also included in the app. Attention will be gained during the lesson by showing a short video of the Arctic ecosystems. I will have the students to write down some of the things that they noticed, and then I will have them to discuss some of the characteristics with their table mates and then with the class. We'll kind of discuss some of the things like characteristics of the environment, some of the things of what they think the climate would be based on what they saw, and just kind of discuss some of the animals that they actually saw in the video. Next, relevance. Relevance will be brought into play by discussing the relevance of their learning about the ecosystems and the adaptations. And some of the examples are like when they get a new plant or if they get a new pet, making sure that they have what it needs to survive and give it the things that it need to survive, such as a cactus. Of course, they would not water it every day, and how much water and food that animal would need. The students will be assigned to an ecosystem group based on the color cube that they choose. The members of the group will work collaboratively to create a presentation using Sway Office that will give information about their ecosystem, including a description, the climate, where they are located, the animals and plants that live there, etc. Each group member will then choose an animal or a plant from their ecosystem and describe the physical and behavioral adaptations that allow them to survive in that ecosystem. All of the group members' sections will be added to an ecosystem group presentation to make one presentation. Satisfaction and confidence will be gained as the students contribute to the project by working collaboratively, sharing ideas, make suggestions about the layout, graphics, information added, and assisting in the editing process to create a successful presentation to share with others. And I've just made a little quick example of a sway. Okay, this is actually a link, and it's actually in the Okay, this is an example of the sway that I created. It's actually in the editing process. And as you can see, they allow them to insert pictures or images. These are the cards, so they can kind of decide what they would like for it to look like. They can change the design and the layout. They can choose from scrolling down or moving vertically. And this is just a brief image of the sway that I've created. And they actually have tutorials to help the students kind of be able to walk them through, so they'll be able to know exactly how to use sway. And this was my final project for my technology integration unit. I hope that you have enjoyed it, and I hope that you have learned something about sway. Thank you.